This video will describe the proper operation of the Pexto pneumatic sheet metal shear in the Tyler shop. The shear is used to cut down thin gauge sheet metal, 18 gauge or thinner, which measures approximately 48 thousandths of an inch in thickness. Use the provided gauge block to determine if your material is too thick before attempting a cut, or you could severely damage the machine. You could also use a pair of calipers. Additionally, avoid cutting hardened materials, such as the heat-affected edge from a plasma or torch cut. Cutting through welded material or hardened materials like stainless steel or spring steel should also be avoided. Before using the shear, be sure to get clearance from a qualified instructor or the shop technician. Make sure you're not wearing any loose clothing or jewelry, and that any long hair is tied back. You should be wearing safety glasses, closed-toed shoes, and a pair of light work gloves is recommended to protect your hands from sharp edges. To set up the pneumatic shear, first be sure that it is plugged into a compressed air line and that the air supply is turned on. Place your material on the bed of the shear, and if a square cut is desired, align your edge with the fence along the side of the table. To cut along a marked line, bring your line of sight down from above and align your mark with the cutting edge. Or you can cut to a certain dimension along the front gauge. Hold your material in place, keeping your hands, feet, and legs free from any of the moving parts, and press the foot pedal to complete a cut. The machine will take a moment to cycle. Never force the cutter manually. If the machine jams, alert the shop monitor or the technician. Don't attempt to service the machine on your own, or you will likely cause damage to the machine or injury to yourself. When your cutting is complete, be sure to turn off the air supply to the shear and clear away any scrap materials you've generated. If you have any questions or concerns, contact the shop technician or your instructor.